Yeah. Am I too lit? I don't even like it, but I copped it. Am I too lit? Man through a.
Yo, okay, what it is, good people. That one just came in. I'm gonna do a unboxing with y'all. Let y'all see what these are, and I'm saying, been getting a lot of hate on it lately, but it's all good. We here. We gonna see what we can do. What we got. Let's do this unboxing. Alright. Let's go. Alright, so I'm from the hood. I got keys. So let's unbox and see what's these going on in here. I'm happy they finally just came in. Been waiting. I've been had these before. People even got them before it dropped. I had my pair already. Cause you know what this is. Whew. You know what this is. Let's get it on. Oh my God. Look at that. Get it open. Let's get it open. Let's put this down here. And we have the Jordan 6 infrared Salesman. Feel me? In hand. Now, everybody been giving this sneaker so much hate. But if you in love with the infrareds, you in love with the sneaker. It doesn't change. Come on, like this sneaker is so iconic, and now you had a back. Oh my goodness! Even if you got the infrared, you gotta get the Salesman. These is legit. I'm not gonna lie. The suede on these, so I like them. It's getting an A for me, man. Let's see. Hold on, man. It's getting an A for me, man. Yeah. Tell me what y'all think, man. Did y'all cop Nike Salesman? Did you? You know what I'm saying? You know, on the inside they got that. You see that? Jordan. Feel me? Not for resale. On the inside of the toe, of the shoe, on both sides. On both sides you have that. You know what I'm saying? Got the tag on that, on the inside. Come on. How could you hate on these, bro? Everywhere I see people, bring back the OG, it's mad joints that's not gonna be OG no more. It's mad joints that's not gonna, even the OG joints, I'm gonna cop too. That's what we do. But you can't be mad at these. How can you be mad at these? If you're an infrared head, what you mean? It's just reverse. That's it. What? And we're happy that the red is this red. We're happy that the red is. Do you know how the red was on it was a gym red, a real deep gym red. It wasn't infrared. Do you know that, right? Oh, okay. But come on, these is a classic shoe. 6s. You got a cop them. I'm not gonna lie. Nice toe box. Icy bottom. Yeah, I'm digging them. I'm digging them. I give them an A right now. I know those Benz sixes are fire though. I'm not gonna lie. I want to get my hands on them Benz sixes, but I definitely know that's gonna be a task. So I'll just try my luck and then let y'all know. But them Benz are real. Those Benz are beautiful. But yeah, I'm gonna come back, show y'all a nice little fitted with these. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna customize a couple hats, like I said. It's not done yet, but they will be out soon. But these sixes, they get certified and approved.